Hello, in this video I'll show you how to knit an incredibly simple openwork pattern. There are only 3 loops and 2 rows in the pattern. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together through the front. Again, purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. Again, purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 1, yarn over, purl 2 together. Again, knit 1, yarn over, purl 2 together. Again, knit 1, yarn over, purl 2 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. I gave you an intriguing openwork that would work well for summer clothing and accessories. It has a lovely texture and wonderful relief. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.